Ta ka jing bail ka jong ka kadai ka jingbakla kot kisla jong ka police department ka bail. Ka babakla ne kadai bala pendap kenang ne. Kata ka jing kali kawan kan. Pada kawei ka kes ko long kum tu, muta ka ne ka kes ko long kum tu. Penon kam bakla jong ki tiar kita jong ki wei ki briew. That's what it says here. Ka pakin shim na ki BNS 103 kata ka di punishment of murder kila sukala ka just ka system ko jong ka feel muta am. Nginang lane mengit ka kata ka jong kalong. Kablay shibuni pibaro and I welcome you back to Word Window. The show bangat senang kan ni ka case. Show bangat senang ani. Not case. So sorry. Show bangat senang ni ka video and penipin kan ni ka durjong ni ka briew. Kaya kan mau na ka briew day. Dan ki briew kan mau na ki briew tip kan ni ka day Sonam Raghuvanshi. Kasyakem hubnai mene June kumta hitare Raja Raghuvanshi. Kasyakem kita ki bniah baka jing syakem ko jongka ka day ka jing penyap jongka yo lok la day. Bar mentapar kalau yo obel. Kalau yo obel. Bar ka daw ka day ka jingbakla hapa ki kot kisla jongka police department. Teton ki ban kenli kumno ka penyap yo lok la day. Meno ka penyap yo lok la day. Hangno ka penyap yo lok la day, right? So, kumno ka penyap yo lok la day. Ka ong yo lok la day ban late honeymoon shapo sora. Okay. Late honeymoon shapo sora pa state ka jongi. Apo shapo sora pat bat ki sangot ki perlok ka jongka ka penyap yo samlal day. Yo lok la day not samla. Kajing ong kadai menwan shna jing em tambah kajing kot pat kalong no ha kajing du jing em. So kajing syakem ko jongka kadai na kata kadao. Bat kumno kale ikini kam kadai bat kini ki sangot ki breu maka une visual chohan uraj kushwa hau samlau jongka aka shrajput baru anan kurmi ki aplan ya kane ban penyap u Raja Raghuvanshi. Yoni Raja Raghuvanshi unu lok ka jongka. Yang ni ka police department ko ang bala try ban penyap yu hadu sausin. Las dang nagohti habak hadu pat penkot yu hapo sora. Dikira try ban penyap gohti tu bagi kimyo lat try tambah kiyo an penyap yu pat hapo sora. Dalam de penyap yu hapo sora dalam bila investigation baru kau dikira kem yakini ki sangut ki breu hani ki ang bagi ni bro sangut pat. Hadin ka interrogating 5 accused kini bro sangut hane who have all confessed to the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi. Kila confess. Bro sangut kila confess bagi penyap unu breu. Kila confess. Dem tapin klikum no kanang yo bail pan. Beli baka yo tho yo. Ka jingïa tho ka jongka yo ka deba na yeng na stem ko jongka ki force ya ka banya tho baru. Na yeng na stem ko jongka ki force ya ka banya tho yo. Kom katar ka don. Ki pen bor banya tho. Snongi tu kuman mi pa dam ko ya tho re. Shambar ki pun bor banya tho. That's funny, right? But she was forced into marry Raja. Try beli baka penyap try di baka ko banya shong nu samla jong ka Raj kushwa try ta daw ka penyap kada mod adalah penyap itu try shong sok namakam tipat habak kadu ka end up in jail. Tama menta ka jing yo bail ka jong ka kadai ka jingbakla kot kisla jong ka police department ka yo bail. Hang ni peit. Hang ni kitab na. Sonam Raghuvanshi was released on bail due to serious lapse in police paperwork. Sonam Raghuvanshi was released on bail due to ka jingbakla jong ka police department hakikot kisla. Hang ni kitho ba despite 790 page hadu newspack naipo page ka charge sheet bala file da ka special investigation team jong ka department na po government ko jongi. The court found a procedural error during her arrest justified her release. Ka court ko ang ba hapor ba arrest hadin news pack na po sheet charge sheet ka don. Hadin ba ka special investigation team ka ay still kinangdon ka jingbakla hapo ka arrest ko jongka. Berkata ka day kani. Hangni ka court ko ang ba the intimation of ground arrest format presented to Sonam contained unticked checkbox in all document. Police erroneously refer to BNS section 4031, that is dishonest misappropriation of property. That's what the police department informed her. Hapo ka charge sheet, news pak na po charge sheet, kitho da ka BNS 401, that is dishonest misappropriation of property. Ika quote pa kaong ba in none of the document pa. Quote pa kaong ba in none of the document, the petitioner was intimated that she was being arrested of offense under BNS 103, that is punishment for murder. That's the reason why the court said and rejected the contention that it was a clerical error observation that such error cannot occur in a document. Jingong jungka court hane ko amba hagato ka news pa khandai po charge sheet jungka police department hangne kibu da ka BNS 403-1 kata ka de dishonest misappropriation of property mot ka jing punon kam bakla jong ki tiar kita jong ki wei ki briew. That's what it says here. The hajka bakin shim da ka section 103 BNS 103 kata ka the punishment of murder kila da ka ka section. It's the reason why court ka brand ka I bail ya ka sonam. I bail ko sonam. But ki ang ba claim panon ka me ka article 22-1. Kani ka article 21 kadi ka right ka jongi ki padba. Ladang isya kem ngilaban kili balay bang isya kem ki police ki deban provide balay ba pikem me briew ka second ka ba pide ban yo ya ka right ba pindifan nila de pilaban shem ki consultant ki babyang pilaban shem ki lawyer ki babyang ki lawyer ba pikwa ma pi ba pindifan nila de kata ka right ka de police department ka deban ai. This is your right. Article 22 is your right. Okay, so hadin ba kayo bail makapan une lawyer ba ya fight tip une try ba ya fight na mataon Raj Singh Kushwaha samlal chongka uong ba sngap.
Yesterday, we have also filed the bail applications on behalf of the second accused, that's Raj Singh Kushwaha, alias Raj. So his bail hearing is fixed today post lunch. So I won't be able to divert or.
Ta, kajingaw jung new briew, not briew, new lawyer, hanu uong ba, ula file ka bail application naman ta uniw Raj Kushwaha samlaw jongka naman ta ka bail kumbaga sona ko yo bail tamba ngalapit ka court ka claim sa ka bail kalakan ta ka bail did not accepted the bail kami jong raja ka ongkom no hangni ka kami jong raja pa demand kong man ai CBI ya kane ka case namar ka jing lack hapo ka investigation kung nalada ka serious crime kung kanero dang lead into bail, what fate can we have in justice? Exactly. Mangiring dengan tu kaju jengkali. Lada kum kan ka case kadang yo bail. Lada kalau ada confess baka penyap maka, but still kadang yo bail, kadang lapse ka investigation. Exactly. What fate can we have in justice? Lada ka justice system ko jengi kolong kum ni. What fate can we have in justice system? If such things happen. So we hope akan numi bail mo. We hope akan numi bail banamdan kum kena kita barok. Tang ba ka court klaong ba da kayo bail ru kahapan one hearing manla ka por ban peit ka case ka klanya. So I don't know. Manta kala jingyo bail ka jongka, I don't know. Kacha kemne kam sa kem biang re kata tengam tip re tamba. Kemne ka police department kalaan bakla. Ya ka maka ta kalaban fight. Kalaban fight back because she have money. Imagine ki bro ki baduk. Kanu ngot try ki bro ki baduk hapo ka ri ga jongi ki ba shakem klem la on panong kamela ki lo ki jongi ki an ki jongi ki rights ki jongi por ba shakem ki poi shong jail khama kha klem a but ki hap shong na ke jail ki pau snem dapikan mau yo new brio hang ne ro Kempat yo tengah kerteng no mentang terbentar ngempat lap ya ka kerteng kacung kerteng kum no udai ayu har mentang ngempat tep ada mentang ka police department ka pelat bar hang nero ka jui ka police department ka penangkam da ke section ki babakla sementang ne ka jengkali kami no kadai ka babakla ne kadai bala pendap kenang ne kata ka jengkali ka wan kan ada kawei ka case kolong kum to mentang ka case kolong kum to imagine shu kan nungut ki briew ki ba bom day hok ban shong jail ki hak ban shong jail na ka jing bakla jong ka department ki ba day hok ban shong jail tamba ki light shirut na ka jing bakla jong ka department kan nungut ki briew ki dan so kan mau ba kini ki rights ki jong it's very important for you bepin pet ikini brokhan it's very important for you so ngam tip kamanta ka police department kan le kumno ka court kan le kumno tamba ki ko mai ba phide ban poi hearing bi man la ka por so how will they fight namar ba na yeng na sem jong raj kilo ong ba this is not right. Ada maka kalau confess, ialah ka pop ke jongka. Kalau confess baka penyap, ialah ukun ujongki min yo raja, kumno kanang yo bail. So that's the question. Even me, I have the same question. So I hope so baka num yo bail sirata ka sa poi bang sa jail sa isien. Bar ngangit baka police department kanya le teng namanta ban penyo ka justice nam taw raja mo. So kala ka just ka system ko jungi ka feel menta mun ginang laan man ngit ka katang ka jing kalong. Ginang la na man buo ta ka jing kermen baka dang la banyada yang briew kipedok kipasok. Tengam don issue pun on tang kita ikin say comment pisi apa pihak semua kumno like subscribe at share itu briew kibadi banong ka mantip ikini kilo ki an barokhat. Tang kini ikin kam don issue pun on publish bin fi baro ki bapet until next time.